Hey guys, so today's video is supposed to be me turning my straight box braids into super curly braids, but in the video you'll see they don't come out curly, they actually come out kind of wavy, and that's because I forgot that before I put the hair in my head, I removed that top layer of chemical coating by putting it in some boiling water and vinegar, because when I leave it, for some reason that chemical makes my allergies go crazy. But in the video you'll see me like trying it 2 times, and then on a second time it just comes out wavy. But if you want to actually make it real curly, you just have to leave it in there for a little bit longer and just sleep with the rollers overnight. So enjoy this video and make sure that you like and comment and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at ZiahZiahZee. Thanks, enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I go from this straight hair to this.
He gave it a little bit of a wave. It's not as curly as I wanted it, but it's a little curly.
So this time I'm going to use the purple rollers. Last time I used the orange ones, but we'll see. I want them a little bit bigger. So twist it out. I like it to go away from my face on this side. So yeah, as a total, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna take some hot water. Please use oven mitts because I don't want you burning yourself. And I just put hot water in here, and I'm gonna set it down. And then make sure you have a drying towel or something. And then you just dip the hair in there as much as that can fit for like 45 seconds. I'll probably fit them all. Yes, I can. 45 seconds, not minutes. Then take it out, damp them dry. And then before you do the other side, you want to take them out because you don't want to burn yourself
Oh. That was a failed attempt. I'm gonna have to do that again. The water got too cool. It wasn't hot enough. Oh well, it's a little bit of a wave. That's not even a wave. Oh man. Well, this was a failed attempt. I'm gonna have to do it again. At least I'll let you see. There's a little wave in it. You know what? I'm gonna put this water in the microwave and try it for the other side and see what happens. So I'm rolling this back up, and then I'm gonna do it again and hope it works this time. Try it one more time. We'll see if it works this time. Just put everything in there. I put the water in the microwave. It's super hot, so we'll see. Again, be careful because for about 45 seconds. So let's see how it turned out now. I'm gonna take this roller out because I don't want it burning me in my back and stuff. Okay, it gave it more of a little wave. It's a little wavy. And I'm gonna dab the hair dry. It gave it a little bit of a wave. It's not as curly as I wanted it, but it's a little curly.